M&M came out with its numbers, and what a show today. The company has not only surprised us with the profit figure, but apart from that, even the management commentary was really positive, and they did share some more insights in the media meet as well. So we will talk about all of this, but firstly, let's have a look at the numbers. So the revenues were in line to the ET Now estimates. The company clocked in at the top line sales of around 15,239 crores. But talking of EBITDA and margins, there was some shyness. There was a slight miss on both of these numbers, but the profit was a surprise. We were expecting the company's profit to be at 1,200 crores, but they clocked in 1,353 crores in the bottom line. Not just the numbers were a surprise on the bottom line, but apart from that, the management commentary was really strong, because in the quarter gone by, they have highlighted many pointers. Firstly is that they have witnessed a strong export sales. The next big point is that their automotive division, they have around 1.55 lakh of plus total open bookings, out of which 70k bookings, that is more than 70,000 of bookings, are of XUV 700. So the recent and the latest launch by M&M has been doing fantabulously well. Now, talking about their farm and equipment segment, because from the escorts we did not get a very positive outlook and a very positive commentary when it comes to the industry growth, but M&M did mention and highlighted that in the quarter gone by, they have managed to gain 1.4% of more market share. So this was the positive coming in from their farm and equipment side. But on the automotive side, they also mentioned that their three-wheeler segment, especially in two of their models, it was the highest ever quarterly sales that the company reported this time. So all in all, the numbers this time were decent. The management commentary was really positive, and going ahead, because this time there was a supply chain constraint because of the chip shortages, the automotive production and the wholesales figure could be, we can see that improving in quarter 3, because the management says that the chip shortage situation is improving now. So some of the booking order and the waiting period that they currently have on their models is expected to shorten in the times ahead. But not just that, very positive commentary coming in by the management when we connected to them in their media brief. Firstly, they said that going forward, the focus of the company will be on the margins and the volumes, how to enhance as this one. And they do mention that the worst is behind them. It is what their feeling is right now. On the electric vehicle launch, because we have Tata Motors making it really big when it comes to the electric vehicle, now in the times ahead we can see Mahindra and Mahindra coming in, and I think it was the first time that the management upfrontly came in and gave some kind of a launch timeline on this one as well. On the model, they also mentioned that now they are working with XUV 300 EV model. That will be the first that we can see coming in the markets, and they expect and plan that to be launched in quarter 3 and quarter 4 of FY23. They will also come up with a new EV strategy soon, is what they have mentioned. So going ahead, this will also be a key factor that we will be watching out from this company of M&M, and they are also expected to give us some more names where they are planning to come up with this EV launch. Apart from that, the management did mention that they have no plans to demerge their farm segment as of now. So on the back of such positive commentary and a decent set of numbers where the profits was a surprise, the stock actually rose around 1.5% in today's trading session.